Most beginners are practicing guitar the wrong way and it is slowing them down. If you fix just these three things, you will start sounding better immediately. The problem is not your talent, it is how you are practicing. Number one mistake you are making is that you are playing guitar without major scale. You are playing without knowing the major scales. You know that major scale is the main thing, is the foundation you need to know before start playing guitar. You cannot start playing guitar without knowing the major scales. You are only playing major scale randomly, anyhow. You cannot improve. Major scales is your major foundations. Start with major scales so that you should know your next step. If you are playing your major scale, don't play anyhow. It doesn't make sense. Play it accurately. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. That's the major scale. You must know how to play the major scale. You cannot start playing guitar without knowing major scales. Major scale is very important. You must know the locations. You must know how to play the major scales while you are playing. That's the first mistake we made. So mistake number two that you normally make. Number two mistakes, bad picking control. Pick correctly. Play your guitar correctly. Play the picking correctly. Try and avoid wrong picking while playing your guitar. Here is how to fix your picking control. Try to play down up picking control. Bad picking control means don't pick like this. This bad picking control. Don't always pick down. It doesn't make sense. Try and play it like this. If you only play it down like this, it doesn't make sense. Bad picking control. Don't play like this. Down. It doesn't make sense. Try and play it like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up. So this is the correct way. Number three mistake that you normally make. Number three mistakes is that no expression. Number three mistake, you don't have expression. You don't express yourself. Number three, no expression. When we talk of expression, playing without sliding, playing without pull off, and playing without hammer on. All these things is something that you need to use them so that you can play like a pro, so that you can play professionally. Don't always play anyhow. Learn to play professionally. I say playing without sliding, without pull off. If you talk of expression, it's like this. You can slide like this. This is what we call not playing without expression. Just try to express something. Try and play like this. Try and play something like this. This is what you need to do. So if you combine these three things, scale, picking, and expressions, you can start playing all over the guitar. When you combine all these three things I teach you, scales, picking, expressions, you can start playing all over the guitar. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for any time I posted a video, you'll be notified. See you guys in my next video.